In this video, we're going to take a look at an individual integral. It's the integral of cosine x over sine x to the fourth dx. All right, this is going to be a straightforward u-substitution integral, which you would find typically in a Calc 1 class. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to start with letting our u be sine. So we're going to say let u equal sine x. All right, we take the derivative of both sides, we'll get a du is equal to cosine x dx. And if I solve all the way down for that dx, I'll have a du over cosine x. All right, now we want to do that in order for the cosines then to cross out. When we come back up here to the original integral, we're going to start replacing. We'll leave the cosine x on top. We'll replace the sine x with the u there on the bottom. It'll be a u to the fourth. All right, we'll replace that dx with du over that cosine x. All right, we wanted that to happen so that we could cross out those cosines. That's going to leave us then with the integral of a 1 over u to the fourth du. We're now all in terms of u, so we can start to algebraically manipulate this. We're going to move that u to the fourth up to the top and make it negative. So we'll have a u to the negative 4 du. Now we are to the place where we can integrate. So we'll add 1 to that exponent. That'll give us a u to the negative third. And then flipping that around here, we'll have a negative 1/3 in front. We can add the plus c at this point because we have integrated. We're going to now move this down to the bottom and make it positive. So we'll have a negative 1 over 3 u to the third plus c. And then I'm going to go ahead and replace u with what it was, which was sine. So we'll have a final answer here of a negative 1 over 3 sine x to the third power and then plus c. So definitely a straightforward u-substitution integral that would typically be found in a Calc 1 class. Definitely thanks for watching. If the videos are helping, please share with your friends so they can benefit too. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.